Let's take a look at evaluating logs on a TI-82 calculator. And let's look at our first one, log 5. Now there is no base on this, so by default it's base 10. So on our calculator, to do log 5, I want to be out of graph mode, so I'll do second mode if I'm in it. Press clear. You don't have to do clear, but I'll clear that out. Now just do log and then 5 and press enter. And that gives us 0.6990, if I round to 4 decimal places, 0.6990. Now I didn't put parentheses around the 5. If you just have a single number like this, then you don't need parentheses. It doesn't hurt anything. If you were to push log, beginning parentheses, 5, closing parentheses, and press enter, you get the same value. Okay, let's look at this one, natural log of 7. Well, on our calculator, I'll press clear to clear all that junk out, and then I'll press my LN. This is my natural log button. And then do 7. You can put parentheses on it if you want, and then press enter. And 4 decimal places would be 1.9459. Okay, let's look at our third example. Log base 4 of 6. Now we have 2 buttons on our calculator. We have this log button, which is base 10. We have the LN button, which is base E. Common log and natural log. We don't have a base 4, because you'd have to have an infinite number of buttons to handle every base, possible base there was. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 201, 310. What we do is we're going to use change of base to rewrite this, and actually I'll write it down below it. So we'll rewrite as log 6 over log 4. Now how it works is whatever follows log right here is what goes up on top. And whatever your base is what goes down below. Now instead of using that, you could have used natural log. So this would be natural log of 6 over natural log of 4. Now those are the only 2 that make sense, because there's only 2 buttons you have on your calculator in terms of evaluating logs. Well, I'll do the log 6 over log 4. I press log 6. And I don't know if I need parentheses on it or not. Let's try this first. Divide by log 4. On a TI-84 I wouldn't have to worry about it, but okay, we get that 1.29. Let me put parentheses around the log and then 6, closing parentheses, divided by begin parentheses log 4, then closing parentheses. Okay, yeah, you don't need a parentheses then. Okay, so 1.2925. 1.2925. The reason why I even questioned it was I found where the TI-82 doesn't follow order of operations on graph mode. Typically, order of operations says, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, thus says do multiplication or division as you encounter either one going from left to right. Well, what the graph mode was doing on one of the problems I was doing is it was doing all the multiplication first and then going back and doing the division. Well, that's not what order of operations says. So I don't trust the TI-82 to do what should be standard. That was evaluating logs in a TI-82 calculator.